Yo, what up, y'all? Every penny counts. I just want to do a quick video on this One Day Rewards, one of my favorite sites. Has a very low minimum, one of the lowest minimums out there that I've seen. I have $1.61 clicked up so you can see it in my account. I'm gonna just cash that out real quick. It's not a lot, but when you make $1 every day on this site, like it really does add up. I mean, I'm making $30 a month easily on this site, and enough to pay like a little small bill. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna cash that out real quick. And let me show you, if you're not familiar with this site, you can cash out with Cash App. That's one thing I really haven't seen on any other site. But the PayPal here, let me go to it. You see the minimum you need? 7 cents. You know how quickly and easily it is to get 7 cents? That's all you got to have in order to cash out in the site, y'all. That's it. So I'm going to put in my PayPal account information, cash out real quick. Just that simple. Withdraw, you've been added to the pending list, and in this site you get paid the same day. All right, so the admin, he does a really good job of staying on top of payments, on updating us about new stuff about the site. It's a lot of offer walls here, just to show you, just to look around on what you can do here. Surveys, so you click on that, and they have lots of different surveys that you can complete. You just go here and just kind of scroll down. Like, I've done a few videos on this, but like I just want to continue to show people that it's very easy to use this site, and all you gotta do is have 7 cents to cash out, and you get paid the same day. I mean, you really cannot beat that. I'm just showing you all the different surveys they have. It's a lot of them on here. You know what I'm saying? So just grind out, find which one works for you. One of my favorite ones is the 5-minute survey router. 5-minute surveys, you really can't beat that. 32 cents each. 32 and a half, you know what I'm saying? So that's all I do in here, just go through the survey page and scroll down, see which one, your survey, sample issues, the 5-minute survey router. Those are my favorite ones to do, just because I have so much success with them. So you should definitely try those out, and you can cash out every day on this site. As long as you have 7 cents, cash out. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to this site, as soon as you get 7 cents, cash out, just so you can see for yourself that it's legit. I've been paid by this site numerous times, like, too many to even count anymore. But you should definitely add it to your routine. The link is in the description, so you can sign up for it today. Like I said, just a little quick cash out, nothing big, but it all adds up at the end of the day. When you make $1 here, $1 there, you know what I'm saying, they really do add up to the point where it's like, you really want to continue to grind even more. I mean, this is a site I cash out on literally every day, and there's no reason why you shouldn't do it as well. You know what I'm saying? The site, One Day Rewards, is exactly what it means. In one day you can earn rewards, and then that same day you'll get paid. You know what I'm saying? So sign up today. The link is in the description. And remember, every penny counts.